Hello everyone, this is Moonlight Learning Academy, and today we are going to be learning how to read analog clocks. So for the first question, we have this clock, and it's hour hand, which is the smaller and thicker one. It's in between 12 and 1. So it's after 12, but it's before 1. So the hour is 12, and every single number, if you jump from 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, that's 5 minutes. So you just have to count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and then you end up at the minute hand. So the hour is 12 and the minutes is 30, so it's 12:30. Let's move on to the next question. For the second question, we have the hour hand in between 9 and 10. So the hour is 9, since it's after 9 and before 10. And again, we have to count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the minutes is 30. So the time is 9:30. By the way, when you're starting to count from 5s, you have to start at the 12. Don't start at any other number or else it's gonna get messed up. You're counting. For question 3, we have both the hour hand and the minute hand at the 12. So the hour is 12, and since the minute hand is on 12, you don't have to count. So the hour is 12 and the minutes are 0, so it's 12 o'clock. For the fourth question, we have this clock, and the hour is exactly at 7, and the minutes is exactly on 12, so we don't have to count anything. So it's 7 o'clock. The time is 7 o'clock for number 4. For the fifth clock, we have the hour hand after 12 and a little bit before 1. So the hour is 12. I'm sorry. And you have to count by 5s again. So you get 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So the hour is 12 and the minutes are 50. So the time is 12:50. For the sixth clock, we have the hour hand right after 5 and before 6. So the hour is 5. And for the minutes, you have to count by 5s again, starting at 12. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the time is 5:30. And for the seventh clock, we have the hour hand after 4 and before 5. So the hour is 4. And for the minutes, you have to count by 5, starting from 12. So you have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So the hour is 4 and the minutes is 35. So the time is 4:35. For the eighth clock, we have the hour hand after 2 and before 3. So the hour is 2. And we have to count by 5s again, starting from 12. So you have 5, 10, 15. So the minutes is 15. And the hour is 2. So the time is 2:15. And for the last clock, we have the we have the hour hand after 3 and before 4. So the hour is 3. And again, we need to count by 5s, starting from the 12 on the clock. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the hour is 3 and the minutes is 30. So the time is 3:30. Alright everyone, that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it useful. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!